Hi, welcome back to Insight 2014 here on the show floor, Insight Central. I'm Richie Jennings and we're joined by Eric Grancher from CERN. Eric, hi.
Hi.
Glad you could join us. Thanks for joining us. As I say, you're from CERN. Now, tell us a little bit about what it is that you do at that fine institution.
So at CERN, I'm the head of the database services group in the IT department, where we manage databases for a number of teams inside CERN. Be, for example, the accelerator team, where they have databases in order to manage the accelerator, better understand the accelerator. Be the experiments as well, where we have online databases to control the experiments or to help for some others to analyze the data. In addition to that, we also have databases which support the mass storage subsystem at CERN, what we call Castor, which is storing about 100 petabytes of data.
100 petabytes. Holy cow. Wow. That's insane. So obviously size of storage is really important to you, but speed of access is important to you too, right?
Yeah, speed of access is really important. When we talk about the accelerator people, for example, what they do is that when they need to do changes in the configuration of the accelerator, they actually put changes into a settings database, and this database is then propagating the change into the equipment. So the response time is very critical. That's a bit where Flash comes in. In the past years, we've introduced Flash for a number of reasons. One of it is the latency, the ability for people to be more reactive. Actually, the other reason is also interesting, I think, is in order to gain efficiency. For example, in 2012, we've been able to divide by 2 the number of disks for a large number of settings. So we went from 1,700 disks to 800 disks just by enabling Flash at a caching level. And that has been a great success. Of course, reducing the resource needs, but also making a better system faster in practice.
So Eric, tell us a little bit more about the sort of science that you're supporting in the database services group.
So in our group, we manage databases which support CERN and the experiments. The mission statement for CERN is quite simple, is better understand matter, better understand how we're done, how the universe is done. And so in order to do that, we provide database services which are critical for running the laboratory.
Now, a little bird told me that NFS is your favorite network protocol. Is that really true?
Yes, it is. We introduced NFS for database in 2006, and it's been a huge success. The reason I believe it's very interesting and a very efficient way to manage databases is that it is simple. Take an example of somebody, a DBA, a database administrator, who has to install a database. It's much simpler doing it with NFS, and the performance for us has been really good, and that's something which my colleagues enjoy on a daily basis, is using NFS sometimes compared to other systems which will be more complicated.
It's not fashionable, but it gets the job done, right?
It gets the job done, and especially with Oracle, the Oracle database, there's direct NFS, which is a special layer inside the database which is very efficient and using NFS systems.
Fantastic. That's great color. Thank you, Eric, for joining us. It's been a terrific conversation. He's been Eric Grancher. I've been Richie Jennings. Thanks for watching.